Assalamu alaikum students. Hope all of you will be fine. It's time to learn countdown. Book 2. Open your book. So students, as we were revising our chapter number 3, that is subtraction. Students, today we will revise page number 46. And our today's topic is subtraction, in which we will do the conversion of the tens. Look students, here is our tiger and we will help our tiger to solve these sums. Look students, let's suppose students you have 4 candies and you have 7 friends. Can you give your 4 candies to your 7 friends? Look students, here is the 4 candies. Can you give these candies to your 7 friends? How is it possible? Your candies are less and your friends are more. So what will we do? Students, I have a plan for you. Let's go to our friend and borrow some candies from him. I am going to my friend. Look students, I went to my friend and told him about my problem. He said me he can give me a bundle of 10 candies. Look students, he have a bundle of 10 candies in the form of tens. So I borrowed one bundle of 10 candies from him. So now I am mixing the bundle of candies with my candies. Look students, I have mixed my 4 candies with the bundle of candies by my friend. So students, how many candies now I have? Now I have 14 candies. Now I can easily give 7 candies from this to my friends. Here I am giving 7 candies from this. Now look at this students. Here I have the 4 candies, so I got one bundle of candies from my friend and now I have the 14 candies and my friend left with the 3 candies. Now students, I can easily give 7 candies to my 7 friends from the 14 candies. Now students, let us divide 7 candies in the 7 friends. Look, I am extracting 7 candies from this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Look students, I will give these 7 candies to my 7 friends and I will left with how many candies? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. I will left with the 7 candies. So we will write 7 into this column. Look students, now I have given 7 candies to my 7 friends from the 14 candies and I have left with 7 candies. Now my friend had 3 candies and he will give 2 candies to his friends and he will left with only 1 candy in this way. And now here are the 2 candies and he will give 1 candy to his one friend and here he will left with 1 candy. So students, we have divided candies to our friends. Look students, Tiger did the same thing. He borrowed 1 from the tens column and he got the 14 and then he divided 7 candies into his 7 friends and he left with the 7 candies from the 14. Here his friend left with 3 candies and he also gave 2 candies to his friends and left with only 1 candy. Same is with this friend. Okay, now look students, Tiger is happy. He can subtract now. He subtracted number 127 from the number 244. Look students, it was impossible for him to subtract 7 from the number 4 and he borrowed one number from the tens column and here he got the number 14 and then he can easily subtract 7 from the number 14. Next, in the tens column, he left with the number 3 and then he subtracted 2 from the number 3 easily. And here in the hundreds column, subtraction is too easy. He subtracted 1 from the number 2 and got his answer. So, Tiger has subtracted 127 from the number 244. Answer was 117. So students, it is so easy. You can also subtract in this way. Look students, Tiger has subtracted one question for you. Here is the number 8 and here is the 3. We cannot subtract 8 from the number 3. So we will take one carry from the tens column and here we will get the number 13 and here we left with number 5. So when we subtract number 8 from the 13, we will get our number 5. While in the tens column, when we subtract 2 from the number 5, we get our answer 3. And in the last, when we subtracted 100, there is no number here. So 3 will be written as it is. Tiger has subtracted 28 from the number 363. He got his answer 335. So, students, now it's your turn. Can we solve it? Yes, we can solve it easily. Here is our question and we will try to solve it by ourselves. We will start subtraction always from the ones column. Look students, here is the number 4 and here is the number 2. We can't subtract 4 from the 2. So, what will we do? We will take one carry from the tens column and here we get the number 12, while here we will left with the number 7. So now we can subtract 4 from the number 12. Look students, when we subtracted 4 from the number 12, we got our answer, that is 8, and we will write our answer 8 here. Next is the turn for the tens column. Look students, now we left here with the 7. We will subtract 5 from the number 7. When we subtracted 5 from the 7, we got our answer, that is 2. And at the last we will subtract hundreds, and in the hundreds here we don't have any number, so 2 will be written same as it is. Look students, we have subtracted number 54 from the number 282. Let's try to solve our part C. We will start subtraction from the ones column. Look students, here is the number 6. It means you have 6 candies and you have 7 friends. How you will divide 6 candies into your 7 friends? So students, we will borrow 10 candies from the tens column or from your friend. Here I am taking one bundle from my friend. My friend will left with the 8 bundles and I will get the 16 candies. Now I can easily divide 7 candies to my friends and I will left with how many candies? So students, I will left with 9 candies. Okay. Look students, my friend had 8 bundles and now he is dividing 3 bundles to his friends. So he gave 3 bundles to his friend and he left with how many bundles? Yes, he left with the 5 bundles. And here he is not dividing his candies, so he will have the same candies. Look students, by the example of the candies, we have solved our question. Students, let's try to solve our next questions. Here is our part D and we are subtracting number 49 from the number 181. Look students, we will start always subtraction from the ones column. here we have the number 9 and we can't subtract 9 from the 1. So we will take one borrow from our friend and our friend will left with 7 and we will get our number 11. Now we can easily subtract 9 from the number 11. When I subtracted 9 from the 11, I got the number 2 here. And now I will help my friend to subtract. When my friend subtracted 4 from the number 7, he got the number 3 here. And he is not sharing with someone, so he will get the same number. So our answer is 132. Okay students, here is our part E. We will start subtraction from the ones column. Look students, we can't subtract 8 from the 4, so we'll take one carry from the next column and here we get with the number 14 and here we left with the number 6 here. When I subtracted 8 from the number 14, I got my answer, that is 6. While in this, here I left with the number 6. When I subtracted 4 from the number 6, I got my answer, that is 2 here. When I subtracted 1 from the 7, I got my answer 6. So our answer of subtraction 148 from 774 is 626. It is so easy students. You will have to remember one thing, that when the number is shorter from the given number, we will take carry to subtract that. For example, look at this. We can't subtract 3 from the 0. So what we will do? We will take one carry from the next column. Here we left with the number 4 and here I got the number 10. When I subtracted 3 from the 10, I got my answer, that is 7 here. While in the next, when I subtracted 2 from the number 4, I got my answer 2 here. When I subtracted 2 from the 6, my answer is 4. So my answer is 427. Look students, it is so easy. Next is part G. Here I am subtracting 6 from the 4. That can't be subtracted. So we will take carry. Here we get the number 14 and left with the 5 here. We will start subtraction from the ones column. Look students, when I subtracted 6 from the number 4, that was impossible. So when I took one carry, it became the 14. So we will now subtract 6 from the number 14. And our answer is 8 here. Now here we have the number 5 and the 0. So no word to subtract from the 5. So 5 will be written as it is here. While here when I subtracted 1 from the 8, I got my answer 7 here. Look students, we have solved our answer. Next is part H. I will take one carry from here and here we get the number 15. When I subtracted 7 from the 15 by taking carry from the 3, here when I subtracted 7 from the number 15, I got my answer, that is 8 here. When I subtracted 1 from the 2, my answer is 1 here. And next in the hundreds column, I will subtract 1 from the number 3 and answer is 2. So students, when I subtracted 117 from the number 335, my answer is 218. Look students, here is our part I. We will start subtraction from the ones column. We will take carry from the 6 and here is our number 12. When I subtracted 8 from the 12, my answer is 4 here. And in the next, when I subtracted 4 from the 5, answer is 1 here. Subtraction of 3 from 5, we got answer 2 here. So subtraction of 348, answer is 214. In the next is J. It is not easy to subtract 8 from the 1, so we will take carry from tens column. Here left with 8 and here I got the number 11. When I subtracted 8 from the number 11, I got my answer 3 here. Subtraction of 6 from the 8, answer is 2. Look students, here in the hundreds column, Here we have the two same numbers and we can't subtract 2 from the 2 and answer is the same, that is 0. So our answer of 268 minus 299 is 23 only. 0 doesn't matter here. Okay students. Next is our part K. When I subtraction, we will take carry from the 3. We left with the 2 here and here we got the number 10. To subtract 5 from the 0. When I took carry, it became 10 here. When I subtracted 5 from the number 10, my answer is 5. Subtraction of 1 from the 2, answer is 1. Subtraction of 6 from the 7 and answer is 1. So subtraction of 730 and 615 is 115. Here is our part M. I will start subtraction from the ones column. Look, 2 is smaller from the 6, so it is compulsory to take carry. Here we left with 8 and here I got the number 12. Subtraction of 6 from the 12 is 6. Subtraction of 8 from the 8 is 0. So I will write 0 in the center. And here when I subtracted 2 from the 6, answer is 4 here. Look students. And our answer is 406. Next is, I can't subtract 7 from the 1. I will take 1 carry from this. Here I left with the number 8 and here I got the number 11. This question is very interesting. Look at this carefully. When I subtracted 7 from the 11, I got my answer 4 here. And look students, in the next 8 and 8, subtraction of the same number makes the 0 here. And here we have also the same number in the hundreds column and their subtraction will make 0 here. So our answer is only 4. These zeros doesn't matter because they are on the left hand side. Okay students. Here is part O. When I subtracted 8 from the 7, it was impossible. So I took carry from the tens column. Here I left with the number 5 and here I got the number 17. When I subtracted 8 from the number 17, I got my answer, that is 9 here. And here I left with the number 5. When I subtracted 1 from the 5, my answer is 4. Subtraction of 3 from the 5, answer is 2. So our answer is 249. Here is the last part of our today's topic. Look students, it's not easy to subtract 7 from the 4. So we will take carry from this. Here we left with the 2 and here we got the number 14. Subtraction of 7 from the 14, answer is 7 here. And subtraction of 1 from the 2, answer is 1 here. Subtraction of 1 from the 2 again, answer will be 1 here. Subtraction of 117 from the number 234, our answer is 117. So students, we have solved our today's topic. Hope this will be clear to you and very helpful for you. Okay students, take care. Allah Hafiz.